Tel Aviv is one of the world's most lively cities. The New York Times called it the Mediterranean capital of cool, and it is a 24-hour city with a particular pulse, combining beautiful Mediterranean beaches with a world-class nightlife, a diverse urban scene and excellent cuisine, UNESCO-recognized architecture and a global perspective. This contemporary laid-back city on the Mediterranean Sea has quickly become a visitor favorite. It is the ideal blend of city and beach lifestyle, with a vibrant nightlife. While it is achievable to see the attractions of Tel Aviv in a single day, many visitors choose to stay for at least a few days to thoroughly experience this bustling city. While it is simple to get out and see the city on your own, there are a number of tour options available based on your interests. Tel Aviv is also an excellent starting place for excursions to north of Israel. There are several ways to absorb in the Tel Aviv vibe: on foot, in a group, with a plan, or just wandering around aimlessly and taking in what you see, on Segway, bike, car, or through an amazing public transit system. There are other apps for connecting you with locals who share your interest and guiding you to insider venues and activities. Nonetheless, for many visitors, the best way to get oriented in a new place or to explore a certain part of the local scene in a more organized manner is to take a guided tour. When it comes to Tel Aviv tourist attractions, visitors can expect to discover a combination of cultural and religious monuments, as well as modern nightclubs, shopping malls, gorgeous beaches and elegant restaurants. Tel Aviv is a bustling urban metropolis that borders the Mediterranean coastline, adorned with palm trees, beautiful gardens and historic structures that reflect the creative architectural minds of the 1940s. It is recognized as Israel's hip and trendy capital, and numerous Tel Aviv tourist attractions invite visitors to dive into the region's past. Tel Aviv, home of Jaffa Port, the world's oldest maritime port, is a city that masterfully combines old traditions with cutting-edge technology so that tourists may get a taste of it all. The city was founded in 1909 as an all-Jewish town, and it still mainly is today. Tel Aviv offers beachfront promenades lined with all-white buildings, a variety of interesting and diverse shops, and tempting restaurants serving food from all over the world. Its beaches have smooth sand and mild water, making them ideal for a relaxing day at the beach. Tel Aviv is an interesting city that attracts tourists to discover more about its difficult past, current pop culture, and bright future vision. Whether you're in town for business or pleasure, you'll quickly realize that Tel Aviv tourism attractions accommodate to all types of visitors. While Jerusalem is Israel's capital city and home to the majority of government institutions, Tel Aviv and its satellite towns serve as the country's economic and cultural hub. It is known as the city that never sleeps, and the nightlife and culture are active 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In the summer, it is not unusual to see people on the beach boardwalk at 4 a.m., and the clubs and bars generally pick up at about midnight till the next morning, giving Tel Aviv a well-deserved image as a party town. It represents the pinnacle of Israeli secular life. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.